If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature on Coinbase, follow these straightforward steps to manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Access your Coinbase account by visiting the Coinbase website or opening the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to gain access to your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option. This is typically found in the Profile menu, which can be accessed by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Subscription Management. Within the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscription or Billing. Click on this option to view your current subscriptions and payment settings. Step 4. Find Auto Renewal option. In the Subscription Management section, identify the Auto Renewal option for the service you wish to cancel. This may be listed under Active Subscriptions or Recurring Payments. Step 5. Disable Auto Renewal. Once you have located the Auto Renewal setting, toggle it off or select the option to cancel. Confirm your choice if prompted, and ensure you receive a confirmation message indicating that the Auto Renewal has been successfully disabled. By following these steps, you can effectively stop the Auto Renewal on your Coinbase account. Always check your email for confirmation and keep track of your subscription status to avoid any unexpected charges in the future.